Welcome to the QNE AI Cloud Accounting tutorial. Unable to obtain tax information from your customer and uncertain if they require an e-invoice? Let them decide. With the e-Invoice portal option, your customers can enter their tax information and request the e-invoice themselves. The system will perform certain validations to ensure your customers can submit the e-invoice themselves. Today we'll guide you through 3 quick and easy steps to send a sales invoice with a QR code, allowing your customers to easily request an e-invoice via the QNE e-Invoice request portal. How your clients can request their e-invoice. Let's begin. Before managing any post-transaction e-invoice requests, you need to make sure that your customer has received an invoice that includes the e-invoice request QR code. Here's how to generate it. Step 1. Generate an invoice with a QR code for post-transaction e-invoice requests. Start by going to Navigation, then Sales, and select Sales Invoice. Click the Add button to create a new sales invoice. Be sure to select the e-Invoice portal validation level. With this option, your customers can enter their tax information and request the e-invoice directly through QNE e-Invoice portal. The system will automatically check that all fields you've set on your end are accurate, ensuring the invoice is error-free when the customer submits it. This process not only increases client satisfaction by reducing submission issues, but also saves you time by minimizing the need to assist clients with potential errors. Fill out the necessary details and save it. Next, click Preview and choose the sales invoice with e-Invoice QR code format. Now that your customer has the invoice, they can use the QR code to request an e-invoice. Here's how you can manage these requests. Step 2. Customer scans the QR code to access the e-invoice request portal. The QR code on the sales invoice allows your customer to request an e-invoice. By simply scanning the code, they'll be redirected to the QNE e-invoice request portal with their details pre-filled. Step 3. Customer submits the e-invoice for validation. In the portal, your customer completes the buyer information based on their type: Malaysian company, Malaysian individual, foreign company, or foreign individual. The required fields vary depending on the selected buyer type. In accordance with LHDN guidelines, the buyer can validate their TIN by simply clicking the Validate button. After filling in all the required information and agreeing to the terms, they click Request e-Invoice. Once confirmed, they can download their validated e-invoice directly from the portal with QR code. When the buyer scans the QR code, they will be redirected to the LHDN My Invoice portal, where the validated e-invoice information will be displayed. Apart from it, your buyer will receive an email providing all e-invoice necessary information. As a vendor, you will receive an email and an in-app notification when your buyer submits an e-invoice for LHDN validation. Click the notification and the More Information button. It will show the complete buyer tax informations. Go to the e-Invoice Information tab, and it will show the complete LHDN document details, including the valid e-invoice status and the UUID. All of these informations can also be found in the email you received. This feature ensures you are informed about each request in real time. Why this feature matters. This seamless process simplifies compliance with e-invoice regulations, ensuring your customers can quickly obtain validated e-invoices with just a few clicks. By integrating this feature into your sales invoices, you're not only enhancing your service but also helping your customers stay ahead in the implementation of e-invoicing. With the QNE e-Invoice request portal, the e-invoice generation becomes hassle-free, reducing the risk of errors and delays, and ensuring that all your transactions are fully compliant with government requirements. And that's it! Your customer now has their e-invoice efficiently and effortlessly. Thank you for choosing QNE AI Cloud Accounting. For more tutorials and support, visit our website or contact customer service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.